Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. It's Friday, so these are general collective readings. Please remember that. So don't make the story fit if it's not yours, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So Aquarius, let's see what we have going on for you now. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aqua gang and send them the messages they need to receive right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's see what my angels have for you. Let's take an angel blessing card. See what blessing, guidance, advice, or a message they have for you. Blessing, guidance. All right. Aquarius, you get the card of vision. So keep your focus here, Aquarius. Look at this angel looking straight ahead, not wavering, not looking left, right, not behind. Spirit saying, make your goal, focus on it, and we'll help you. All right? Your vision has to be very goal-oriented now. Keep moving forward. That's what I'm getting from here. So let's see why your vision has to be that, and what are you going through. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the loving support you're sending to the channel. I feel very blessed and very grateful. Your lovely comments, your likes, they all keep me motivated to continue bringing out more and more videos for you. Thank you so much. And of course, Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you to our Omkara family. And newbies, let me explain this. I'm just doing a small line card spread to check your energies. Your in-depth readings have already been put up. More are coming. I'll leave a link at the end of the video in case you want to check them out. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below where you can reach me. So gems, bottom of my deck, I see the Queen of Cups in reverse. Sorry, Aquarius. Oh my God, so feeling a little emotionally overwhelmed, not feeling that love anymore, feeling drained out. Why is that, Aquarius? Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Ten of Cups, Seven of Wands, Ace of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Two of Cups. Okay, so there is some delay going on to have a new beginning here, Aquarius, as I can see. Yes, you kind of making up your mind now. You've realized that something is not working. Something is not giving you that emotional happiness with another. I see a soulmate connection which is in reverse right now. Two of Cups is in reverse, and so is the Ten of Cups in the center of the spread. But I don't think you're really worrying about it too much anymore, Aquarius. You now kind of getting out of your head and no longer kind of having sleepless nights or crying over it. In fact, I see you now being kind of seeing things from a higher perspective and kind of guarding your own energy. All you're looking for is truth and clarity, and moving towards maybe now your own happiness, the Nine of Cups. You're no longer interested in the Ten of Cups, it seems. You kind of, this one cup that is getting removed maybe from your life, you're still all right with it and saying, hey, I can be happy with my Nine Cups. So just waiting for some clarity, some truth, there's a bit of delay going on, and you're not feeling very emotionally happy. That much I can see with the Queen of Cups in reverse. This could be you, this could be your cross watcher. Keep that in mind. And let's start with some dialogue message cards to see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Aquarius and their person, Spirit. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. And we'll take some from this deck as well. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Oh, lots to say. And the energy is strong today. Okay. And let's take messages from the heart as well. Oops, okay. So, the first card I have here for you is I want to hold you and never let you go. Maybe somebody's leaving or somebody's made up their mind now to be on their own maybe. And the other person is saying, I want to hold you and never let you go. I see my future with you. Somebody is worried that their future will be in jeopardy now if somebody goes off for a fresh new beginning for their own life. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. So my suspicion was correct here, Aquarius. You guys are in separation right now, and one person is now getting worried about their future. Now they are missing their partner and want to hold them and never let them go again. I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for the way I've treated you. No wonder this Queen of Cups is in reverse, feeling totally drained of all her love now. And feeling, hey, that 10 of Cups never really worked for me, better that I find my happiness elsewhere. So their partner is now saying, that's the reason I haven't apologized, because even I understand that I've treated you very badly. So how can I ask for forgiveness if I can't even forgive myself? My heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same way. I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you right now. Again, the same kind of thing. Somebody is now realizing that they are losing or they've lost somebody very precious, but they have self-worth, or they don't even respect themselves. They don't love themselves. They haven't apologized. They haven't even forgiven themselves right now. They know their faults, but yes, they do want their partner back because they are worried about their own future now. Your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the truth. It's the least I deserve. So maybe this person who hasn't apologized has not even tried to make a phone call or text them. Maybe they're worried about somebody in their life who could be checking up on them. Could be a family member, could be a spouse, could be a sister, brother, somebody who's very toxic around them, some karmic relationship where the other person saying, listen, it's irritating me that you can't even come to me straight and talk to me. You're always worried about what somebody else is going to say. I can tell when you're speaking from your ego and higher self. Although I love your soul, I must admit, I don't like your ego. So let's see now what's going on in your cards. What's this Ace of Pentacles spirit for Aquarius? Ace of Pentacles. Somebody now wants to talk about their behavior. They want another chance. They want to talk about their behavior. They want to have communication. They want to talk about maybe their old ways where they hurt the feminine maybe. Maybe they were a player in the past. Maybe they never showed their emotions to their partner. But now somebody wants to have some clear communication. But I think the conflict has become a bit too strong now. There's been too much fighting. There's been too much conflict. Maybe some harsh words have been spoken. There's been some fighting that's happened. And that's what's is leading or still there. There's some kind of delay going on in getting two people together to talk about it. I think this masculine here is realizing that they've damaged this relationship too much now. Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords. Yes, they don't know how to come forward now. With what face can I come forward with a romantic gesture when I have never ever spoken the truth? I've told lies. I don't have the words right now to even apologize. After all that behavior of mine in the past, what can I say now? Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, but they definitely don't want to be single, it seems. They are dreading the fact that now they'll be single. They don't want to be in that place. They don't want to face judgment. Maybe this could be a court case going on. I don't know. There's a judgment card and somebody doesn't want to be stressed out about it. They don't want to be in stress, basically. And they don't want to be single either. One more, Spirit, for the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. This person is getting frustrated by the day, but they are still not talking. They're still keeping everything secret, everything hidden, even though they want to come and talk to this feminine, I think, now. But they're still coming across as very frustrated, very angry, very upset, almost like very rash at the moment. So I think either the feminine has blocked them now, or they don't know again what to say, because whenever they do think of saying or doing something, they always create some kind of a conflict. Nine of Swords, Spirit. Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords. I think the other partner, who I think is the feminine, is now holding back. Holding back now, I think, kind of giving up on this dream of having stability with their partner. Doesn't want to stay in a place where they're always crying or stressed out or having sleepless nights. This feminine feels that I've never had that perfect emotional happiness in this connection. Yes, I've never been offered that sweet love, or my masculine hasn't even come and kind of apologized to me till now. So I think there's somebody here who's now wanting to take back control of their life. They feel things have really kind of now broken down. The very bad memories now that have been created, and I have somebody, I think the feminine here, who's now trying to take back charge of her own life, trying to put her defenses up, and no longer wanting to spend any more time in regret. In fact, this person is walking away, Aquarius. They've made up their mind, I'm going to guard my energy. I'm going to take back control of my life now. The control, I think always expected their masculine to be, an emperor who would take care of them, who would look after them. But from what I see here, they're only knights and pages. So I don't think there was any emotional satisfaction that was got from this masculine. So I think there is a feminine here who's deciding to guard her energy now and just walk away from the connection. Ace of Swords, Spirit. Ace of Swords. Yes, somebody is very clear. Somebody is very, very clear that they want a fresh new beginning. They are no longer confused. They've made up their mind. I want a stable new beginning in my life. All this confusion is gone. I'm not even going to think about it anymore. One more, Spirit, for the Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Again, see? Same card again. I'm going to protect myself now. I expected my masculine maybe to protect me and give me the 10 of Cups. But if they fail to do that, I'm not going to wait around and be sad. I'm going to take care of my own self. I'm going to protect myself. I'm going to stand up for what I want now, which is a brand new beginning. Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Same card again, my God. This feminine has her sword up now big time. They've already made that decision here, Aquarius. They want happiness. They want happiness. They know that if they love themselves first, they can finally achieve this 10 of Pentacles by themselves maybe. Or maybe with somebody else. This card is out again. I'm no longer going to cry over spilt milk. I'm no longer going to waste my energy fretting about the things I can't control. Two of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Two of Cups in reverse. Yes, this is a very crucial time for you, Aquarius. You are, I think, at crossroads right now. You're totally at crossroads right now. And trying to manifest a happily ever after. Maybe one person is. This is a beautiful connection which has gone wrong. Two of Cups, Two of Cups. So what was maybe isn't anymore. Somebody, I think, who's the masculine is still trying to pray and manifest a coming back. But I see somebody else here who has the world in their hands now and looking forward to the future. And saying, I'm going to allow this tower to fall if it has to. Anything else, Spirit, for Aquarius now in this connection? Yeah, somebody no longer wants to invest any time, energy, or anything into this connection anymore. They're feeling depleted. Not that they don't love their partner, there is a lot of love here. This was a special connection, but I think it's time out for at least this feminine here, who's feeling that this is depleting me. All my time has been wasted. Somebody feels the Wheel of Fortune is stuck in this connection. It was just a matter of bad timing maybe, or bad luck, that things didn't work out. I'm so sorry, Aquarius, if this is you. But I think this is guided because the vision card came out, right? So keep focusing straight ahead. Whatever doesn't feel good, like they say, soulmates come into your life for a reason, season, or a lifetime. So maybe this connection has actually helped you grow in certain ways which you'll realize maybe later. Okay? So that's all I have for you. Not all of you are breaking up, Aquarius. Don't go by this reading, okay? Just take it with a pinch of salt. Maybe this reading is only for one or two of you out there. Maybe somebody needed to hear this message, okay? So don't take it seriously. So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.